This is the MDL Powerup 22-ton Towable log splitter, offering a more compact profile to the Powerup 37 Mega Split, being super portable and easy to handle. Designed for ease and efficiency, this splitter features a powerful 22-ton ram, making quick work of the toughest logs. It's equipped with an easy start, 4-stroke, 6.5 horsepower petrol engine, so you can get to work in no time. The two-handle design ensures you have full control while splitting, keeping you safe during operation. The auto-return function allows the ram to retract while you prepare the next log, maximizing your efficiency. The maximum log length is 64 centimeters. For shorter pieces, use this simple tool to limit the return stroke, speeding up your workflow. The two-way splitting wedge is great at handling twisted and knotted logs. Slip on the included 4-way wedge, and now you can split a single log into 4 pieces, making it even easier to manage your firewood. Simple, fast and efficient, designed for getting the job done with minimal fuss and minimal effort. A great investment, backed up by our 3-year warranty and unrivaled aftercare service. For more information and to order yours, please contact us or visit our website.